Packing an order for Miss Gigi. Studio vlog. Juve Myers. Hi guys, it's me again, Juve Meyer, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a great day because I received another bulk order from new buyer. She ordered 22 packs of tassel and 3 pieces of resin dangle earrings. Let's prepare her order. I just finished making tassel yesterday and I'm so happy because my product almost sold out. She wants to have all color available in my stock. Only 5 packs of tassel left in my stocks. After preparing this order, I have to replenish my item. Let's start packing this order. As a seller, we need to make sure the quality and quantity of the product to ensure that there's no any damage and complete. If you want to learn how to make tassel, just click this card. Shout out to you, Miss Gigi. Thank you for this wonderful order. For resin earrings, we need a separate plastic. If you want to know how to make resin earrings, you can check this out. Just click this card. Now, stick the sticker label and thank you card. Before I forgot, I give her a freebies as a token of appreciation. This is my freebies for her. 5 pieces mini tassel. If you're interested to buy any of my product, just visit my Facebook page. We need another plastic bag and insert this package. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, this is the time to click subscribe and click the bell button to get notified to my upcoming video. Hit thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now we're done and here's the finished product. That's all for today guys, see you next video, goodbye. For more video just click this. Thank you for watching.